Hi, welcome to Answers Q. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free courses offered by HubSpot. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this is the official website of HubSpot Academy, where HubSpot provide all their free courses and certifications. So let me first tell you what is HubSpot. So HubSpot is an American software company which is very famous for its product on inbound marketing, sales, and customer service. So in this HubSpot Academy, they are providing courses on different topics like marketing, sales, service, and some video tutorials are also available. So these are some popular courses in this Academy website: social media marketing certification course, SEO training, inbound marketing, content marketing, email marketing, business analytics course. So these are all famous courses in this website. And if you scroll down, you can see here view all courses. Just click on it to view all the courses offered by the HubSpot Academy. And in this page, you can see all the courses and certifications that are offered by HubSpot Academy. You can see here inbound marketing, content marketing, email marketing course, sales hub admin course, ads training course, content strategy course, and you can just click on next and go to the next page and see the remaining courses like service hub software, HubSpot sales software. So there are a lot of courses in this website. This goes up to 30 pages. So 13 to 12, you have more than 300 courses in this website alone, HubSpot Academy. So if you want to see only the courses for which you will get certifications, you can just turn on this box here. You can see here show only certifications. Just turn on this here, and once you turn on this button, you will see the free certification courses that are available in HubSpot Academy. You can see the courses here: email marketing, HubSpot sales software, HubSpot reporting. And if you click on next, you can see the remaining courses: growth driven design, frictional sales. So these are the free certificate courses that are available in HubSpot Academy. Now let's see how to enroll in these courses. You can see here sign up for free courses. Just click on it. And now you can either sign up with your Google account, or you have to type in details like name, email address directly and click on create my account to create an account in HubSpot Academy. So let me log into my account and catch up later. So when you are creating your account in HubSpot Academy, once you give your details and click on create your account, you will see this: we have sent an email to your email address. So you will get a mail like this from HubSpot. You have to click on confirm my mail address, and you have to verify your mail address first. And now the email address is verified, and you have to set a password for your account. And once you have chosen the password that meets all these criteria, click on next. And now you have to give your company name and domain. So if you are a student, just type in student and click on next. And in the next step, you have to answer a few questions. So if you are a student, in this question, how many people work at your company, just select one. And the next question will be your field. You have to select other if you are a student. And the next question is which of the following best describes your role. So you can select student here, and now you can click on finish sign up. So that's it. Now we have created an account in HubSpot Academy, and now you can see all the courses here in the course catalog. So you have 428 results. That means you have 428 courses in this HubSpot Academy. And you can also use the categories and the HubSpot software to filter out the courses that you are looking for. Now let's see how to enroll in a course. So just click on whichever course you want to enroll in. So let me register in this one here, email marketing. So once you click on the course name, you can see all the details of this course, like the total lessons in this course and the total hours and the quizzes in this course and the practical exercises. So for this course, email marketing, you have 11 lessons and 4 hours, and you have 9 quizzes to complete, and you will have 1 practical exercise to complete in this email marketing course. And on the left side, you can see all the lessons in this course and the duration of each lesson. And once you complete all the course content, you have to take an exam, which will be around 1 hour, and you will have 60 questions, and you must answer 45 questions correctly to pass the exam. And you will have to wait for 12 hours between each attempt, and you will have a maximum of 3 hours to complete this 1 hour exam. So it's up to you. You can extend it up to 3 hours, or you can complete it within 1 hour. So it's up to you. So you can't extend it more than 3 hours. You have to complete it before 3 hours once you start the exam. And once you complete the exam and get the minimum pass mark required, you can download your certificate for free of cost from HubSpot Academy. So this is how you need to create an account in HubSpot Academy and enroll in a course. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. So you have a lot of different courses from HubSpot Academy, like marketing courses, sales courses, service, website design, web development, and you have data privacy courses also. And there are some tutorials for HubSpot softwares like Marketing Hub Tools, Sales Hub Tools, Service Hub Tools. So make use of this opportunity to learn about all these things. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.